Please use this app responsibly, watch first and practice later.
Push and switch on a curve is a progression that is bringing us nearer to trying a change of edge on one foot. That's a skill to come in some of your stages ahead. But first, let's take what we already know. We know the shapes of the push and switch. We know making the push and then moving the arms and legs like the Queen's Guard, marching through, making the push and going again. This time, instead of taking a straight path, we're going to expect to take a nice curve each and every time. So as we take the first push into our opposition, remember, like marching for the Queen, we're curving on an outside edge, bringing that leg forward, making our push, and now on an inside edge. Same motions with the arms and legs as before, bringing our legs and arms through, and again now onto outside edge, we push and we switch those arms and legs through.
Set up on a rink line with your opposition of upper and lower body in place. Take your first push onto an outside edge curve. You will be skating a half circle. As you approach the quarter zone on the circle, begin to swing your free leg and arms in that soldier motion. Here it comes, sweeping the limbs through close to the body, and then lowering, ready for the new push. New circle on an inside edge, same rules, swinging through at the quarter point. And again, toe to push, swing at the quarter point, toe to push, and bringing that free leg through again at the quarter point of the circle. The more our body shapes track with the correct zones or points on our circles, the better our control will become. Let's see that at full speed to understand our rate of flow through the shapes. Toe push, free leg through, toe push, free leg through. Of course, the larger the circles, the longer this will take. Smaller circles will be finished much, much quicker. For skaters in hockey blades, remember you will be pushing from the flat of your blade as you don't have a toe pick. So make sure your pushing blade meets the ice with a slight diagonal to give you that bite point for your push.